Hi, James here, Car Mod Shop. We're just going to fit some carbon wipers to this Vauxhall Mokka. We'll get a longer one and a shorter one, and you'll get the clip you need for the car. It comes with the wrong one on it. This one comes with a hook fitting, which don't need the hook fitting. So that one just pops off, and that one just pops on. It's got some of our other multi-fit wiper blades on here from last time I fitted them, so it should be just a case of taking them out, and that one should slide in the same way, like that, and then remove the green strip. That's one side done, and we'll do passenger side, which is this little 14. Same thing applies. Pop that one on. Pop the new one on. Just make sure that one's facing the right way, because that needs to be on the further away part. Same thing applies. A little bit less space to get this one off, but off he comes. New one on. Simple as that. Apart from the green strip. There we go, done. And if you need some of the rear, we do the rear one as well.